Today we're going to be making my delicious asparagus and pea smash. This is perfect for those long Sunday morning brunches. So we're going to top it with some delicious mushrooms and a perfectly cooked poached egg. So come and cook with me, Her Majesty. Let's do it. Okay, for the puree then, we have 200 grams of asparagus, which I've just snapped off the ends. So we're going to prepare those in a minute. I have 80 grams there of frozen peas, so they're just defrosting in there. And then I have some lemon and some caster sugar. That would use that just for taste. So the asparagus, we're just going to remove these little leaves here that are on the side. It just helps to make it, the puree just a little bit more silkier really, and it can get a little bit bitter if you leave these on, I find. So it's just simple. So just take the vegetable peeler and then just run it down the stalks like that. There we are, those are all peeled now, ready to blanch. So we've got a pan of boiling water here, so we're just going to blanch our asparagus. Just pop it straight in, and then I've got the peas, so just pop those in as well, and we're just going to blanch those for 3 minutes. And then we're going to plunge them into some cold water to stop the cooking process. The next thing is just to cook your mushrooms off in some hot oil. So the asparagus and peas I've drained now, and I've just cut them into small pieces, the asparagus, and we are just going to blend it all together now. Just get it as smooth as you can. So we're just going to add a little bit of sugar and just a squeeze of lemon juice. Not too much, and then just give it a bit of a mix. And then we just want a good sprinkle of some salt there. So we're going to do our poached eggs now. So I've got a pan of salted water here boiling, and so we're just going to put in a good dose of white wine vinegar. Turn the heat right down and give it a swirl, get the water moving. And then I put an egg into a cup. Make sure it's cold out of the fridge. Get the water swirling and then put your egg in. And then repeat. Now just want a couple of minutes. And while that's doing, you can cook your toast. I've got a nice thick slice of toast here, which I slathered in butter. So we're just going to pop on some mushrooms. Add about 100 grams of mushrooms here. So just put a nice scoop of the puree on top there. So then we're just going to pop our poached egg on top there. Just give it a season with some nice sea salt and a grinding of pepper. And that looks gorgeous. So we're just cut into this now, and that looks perfect. So it's just gorgeous, makes a nice change with the asparagus and pea puree. Just goes together so nicely, and you've got some nice texture with the mushrooms. So I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to dig in now, if you'll excuse me. I hope you enjoy making your asparagus and pea smash. Give it a go this weekend. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. So I'll see you next week. Bye.